ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈರಾ ದ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ಲಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಡಿಸೈನರ್ ಜೈಪುರ್ ಕುರ್ತೀಸು ಮತ್ತು ಕುರ್ತಿ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕುರ್ತೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಕುರ್ತೀಸು ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಥರ ಅಂಬ್ರೆಲಾ ಕುರ್ತೀಸು, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಗೌನ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಸೈನರ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ರೇರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫ್ರೀ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕೂಡ ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸು, ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಅನಿಸಲ್ಲ, ರೀಸನಬಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ರೀಟೇಲ್ ಇದೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀಟೇಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ಸು, ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೀ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಜಸ್ಸು ಸ್ಮಾಲಿಂದ 3XL 4XLವರೆಗೂ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೈಜಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಸೈಜಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Hello viewers, my name is Amit.
My name is Jitendra.
Our shop name is Kairaa the Women's Villa and we are located at Mayur Vihar Phase 1 Delhi. And viewers, it is our first video on this channel, but we have already uploaded more than 50 videos on YouTube and we have always got a good response of those videos. And viewers, we deal in Jaipuri designer collection and we don't do wholesale, we deal in retail only.
Our terms and condition: shipping all India free, single piece is available. Outside India shipping paid. We don't have COD, return and exchange. We have all digital payment option available like GPay, PhonePe, bank transfer, Paytm.
And viewers, piece you would like to buy, please send us the screenshot on the numbers given on the screen above.
Let's start the video. Let's start the video with our straight kurtas. Our sizes in all designer Jaipuri designer collection is small 38, medium 40, large 42, XL 44, double XL 46 and triple XL 48. I describe you the fabric of all the designer Jaipuri designer collection piece per piece. Pure cotton, mustard color, beautiful brand cut fit neck. This is not print, this is weaved. Viewers, pure cotton, and length of our all kurtas is 46. Sizes available are 38 to 48. Price range is 850 with shipping. Shipping free all India. One more beautiful onion color, beautiful brand cut fit neck, ikat weaved fabric, pure cotton, 46 length. Prices available are 850. Sizes are 38 to 48. One more summerish beautiful color, very much in trend these days, pure cotton lavender color. Same detailing on front, pure cotton, 46 ka length. Prices is 850. Sizes are 38 to 48. Beautiful shibori print, tie-dye print, pure cotton, beautiful detailing on front, in buttons, false mirror, 46 ka length, 950 price, sizes 36 to 44. One more color in this, in yellow color, beautiful summer shade, pure cotton, 46 ka length, 950 price, tie and dye shibori print, false mirror work on buttons, unopenable buttons and detailing on the sleeves, false mirror detailing on the sleeves. 950 ka price, sizes 36 to 44. Beautiful pure cotton midi dress, very much trend in these days, pure cotton, all chikankari work on front, all chikankari work embellished on the front, tassels in the waistline, pure cotton. Price is 1100, sizes are 38 to 44, shipping free. Pure cotton high slit kurta, beautiful work on front, false mirror work, nalki work and off white is print. not work viewers. All print on the side slits, gathers on the waistline, price is 1100, sizes are 38 to 44. One more color in this, beautiful green color, same detailing on front, false mirror work, nalki work, pure cotton, print, off-white print, gathers on waistline, 46 का length, price is 1100, sizes is 38 to 46. Now showing you our pant sets, pure cotton, Lehriya print, beautiful gota work on front, all gota work embellished on the kurta, 46 का length, pure cotton, 1400 का price, sizes are 38 to 46 available. Pure cotton का bottom with this, pure cotton bottom available with this, detailing on bottoms hem. One more high slit, beautiful high slit kurta, pure cotton, all gota work, false mirror work on front, waistline gathers, tassels on waistline, cushion tassels, check all the work on tassel on the slits, side slits, gota work, false mirror, pure cotton, 1500 का price, sizes 38 to 44, pure cotton का bottom with this, with pocket with sting, ready to ship. One more high slit kurta, pure cotton, beautiful kalamkari print, all gota work, false mirror work, zari work on front, gathers on waistline, tassels, cushion tassels, beautiful work on side slits, all side slits, pure cotton, prices 1500, 38 to 44 sizes, pure cotton ka bottom with this, pure cotton ka bottom with this, ready to ship. This is called Naira cut or high slit, very much in trend these days viewers. Patchwork with patchwork high slit kurta, beautiful summerish shade, blue and white ka combination, gathers on waistline and side slits, beautiful side slits with false mirror and zari work, pure cotton, 1500 ka price, 38 to 46 ka size, pure cotton ka bottom with this. One more high slit, ikat print, dusky blue, light blue, all beautiful Croatia work, false mirror, stitch on front, cloth buttons, gathers on the waistline, and this is on making with patchwork, different cloths stitch on the slits, 1500 का price, 38 to 44 का size, pure cotton का bottom with this, ready to ship, 1500 का price. One more high slit, beautiful high slit with patchwork, detailing on front, false mirror detailing, cloth buttons, all ethnic print, tassels on waistline, gota stitch on the side slits, pure cotton, 1500 का price, with cotton का bottom, 38 to 44 sizes available in this. Beautiful Georgette high slit kurta, this one is in Georgette, pure Georgette, all thread work and gota work and all sequence stitch on the kurta, gathers on the waistline, beautiful all handwork on side slits, its USP is beautiful neck from back side, beautiful neck, beautiful dupatta with this, pure chiffon dupatta, gota stitch on both sides, pure Georgette bottom with this plazo, 3500 का price, ready to ship. Pure cotton, Lehriya print. In monsoon season, Lehriya is very much in trend. All chikankari work on front, all chikankari work embellished on the kurta, pure cotton ka kurta, 46 ka length with beautiful kota dupatta with this, beautiful kota dupatta with this, 38 to 46 sizes are, 1550 का price, pure cotton का bottom with this and detailing on bottoms hem, बहुत ही beautiful Croatia lace stitch on bottom, 1550 का price, sizes are 38 to 46, ready to ship. one more color in this, beautiful green color, English green color, same detailing on front, all chicankari work on front, all chicankari work embellish on the kurta, 46 का length, 1550 का price, pure cotton का दुपट्टा with this, beautiful cotton दुपट्टा in summers, very suitable, pure cotton का bottom with pocket with string and same detailing on the bottom. Sizes are 38 to 46, price is 1550, ready to ship. And one more thing, detailing on the sleeves viewers, same detailing crochet lace stitch on the sleeves. Black lovers, pure cotton ikat print in black, beautiful all gota work, false mirror work, very fine stitching fitting on these products, Jaipuri designer collection. And dupatta is pure mal cotton dupatta with this, beautiful mal cotton dupatta with this, 1550 का price, 38 to 46 का size, pure cotton का bottom with this, ready to ship. One more beautiful neon green color, pure cotton hand block print, Jaipuri designer print, designer collection, all print viewers, not work, cloth buttons detailing, 46 का length, price is 1600, sizes are 38 to 44 and piece USP is this cotton का mal cotton का दुपट्टा with this and beautiful cotton का bottom. Now trend in these days, gather pant, mori wali pant, the Afghani pant, beautiful pant with this, 1600 का price, 38 to 44 sizes with in this. One more beautiful lavender color kurta, pure cotton, all chicankari work, all work viewers with water sequence stitch on the kurta, pure cotton kurta, tassels on the front, all chicankari work, 46 का length and this option with lining. This kurta is available with lining, pure kota doria block print dupatta with this, beautiful pure cotton kota doria dupatta, 38 to 44 का sizes, 1850 का price, pure cotton का bottom and beautiful bottom, detailing on the bottom, all zari work stitch on the hem, pure cotton का bottom, 1850 का price, 38 to 44 का sizes. One more beautiful grey color, all colors are different and very elegant and beautiful, 1650 का price, 38 to 46 का size, all chicankari work, pearl work, 46 का length, grey color ikat print with kota का beautiful dupatta with this, beautiful dupatta, kota dupatta, pure cotton kota dupatta with this, pure cotton का bottom, white color cotton का bottom with pocket with string or beautiful detailing. These small detailing makes piece beautiful and elegant. 1650 का price, 38 to 46 का size, ready to ship. One more option in lavender color, ikat print, same detailing on front, chicankari work, pearl work, beautiful lavender color, Calcutta work. Lavender color is very much trend in these days, 46 का length, pure cotton, 1650 का price, 38 to 46 का size, pure कोटा का cotton दुपट्टा, pure cotton का bottom with pocket with string and same detailing on the front, 38 to 46 का size, 1650 price, ready to ship. One more dusky grey, beautiful all Calcutta work on front. This is all print viewers but thread work, little bit thread work embellish on the kurta, 46 का length. This option is also with lining, pure cotton का lining with this, 1500 का price, 38 to 44 का size, pure cotton का bottom with this and detailing on little bit thread work, katha work stitch on the bottom, 38 to 44 का size, 1500 का price. Beautiful English green color, all chicankari work, thread work, white thread work, now trend in these days, all stitch on the kurta. This is not print viewers, this is all work, pure cotton, 46 का length और pure cotton mal cotton दुपट्टा with this, 1800 का price, 38 to 46 का size and this is all crochet lace, sorry, stitch on the dupatta, 38 to 46 का साइजेस, 1800 का प्राइस, प्योर कॉटन का बॉटम विद दिस एंड वंस अगेन डिटेलिंग ऑन बॉटम. वन मोर लहरिया, ब्यूटीफुल लहरिया फॉर रेनी सीजन, प्योर कॉटन, पिटन वर्क, ऑल पिटन वर्क, वेरी सेटल एंड एलिगेंट वर्क, 46 का लेंथ, प्योर कॉटन, 1600 का प्राइस. वन मोर कोटा का ब्यूटीफुल दुपट्टा विद दिस. In summers, these pieces, these articles looks very elegant and very nice. Pure cotton का bottom with this, with pocket with string, 1600 का price, 38 to 46 का size. One more option in beautiful patchwork, green and white combination, hand block print, floral print, patchwork, very neatly. Front is ready with false mirror, thread work, gathers on waistline, tassels on waistline. This is on A-line shape, no slit viewers, slit is not open in this piece, and gota stitch on the bottom, pure georgette dupatta with this, 1650 का price, 38 to 46 का size, pure cotton का bottom with pocket with string, 1650 का price. This option in our option in Chanderi silk, beautiful green color, all zari work, gota work stitch on front, very subtle and neatly done, same detailing on sleeves, pure Chanderi hand block print. This option is also with lining, pure cotton lining, and beautiful Chanderi dupatta with this. Check this viewers, beautiful dupatta, Chanderi silk dupatta, 2000 का price, 38 to 44 का size, and pure Chanderi silk bottom with this and detailing on bottoms hem, 2000 का price, 38 to 44 का size. Beautiful anarkali for upcoming seasons, festivals, get together, small parties, house parties, beautiful angrakha style, all zari work, pitan work and gota work is on front, tassels on waistline and gota stitch on every kali, and beautiful hem ready with gota, pure cotton का bottom with pocket with string, 38 to 44 का size and 1750 का price. And this piece USP is beautiful chiffon dupatta, all is work viewers, all sequin work stitch on the dupatta, 1750 का price, 38 to 44 का size, pure cotton anarkali. One more anarkali, beautiful in magenta color, dark pink, pure cotton, all front ready with gota work, beautiful gota work, tassels on waistline, cushion tassels, beautiful cushion tassels and gota stitch on every kali, beautiful hem stitch ready with the gota, pure zigzag cotton का bottom, 2100 का price, 38 to 46 का size and beautiful dupatta with this, beautiful dupatta with this, 2100 का price, 38 to 46 का size, pure cotton का bottom with this, ready to ship. One more option, beautiful different grey color, pure hand block print in muslin. This option is viewers over muslin, 38 to 46 का size, 1900 का price and front ready with crochet lace, gota work, 46 का length और beautiful muslin dupatta with this. Check viewers, beautiful muslin dupatta and muslin bottom with string, muslin bottom, 1900 का price, 38 to 46 का size, ready to ship. Now our one pieces, pure cotton hand block print one pieces, beautiful. Check the flare of all one pieces, front ready with zari work and false mirror, beautiful detailing on sleeves, cushion tassels on waistline, gota stitch on every kali. This style is flared one piece, approx 7 meter घेरा of one piece, 1500 का price, 38 to 44 का size. One more option, beautiful bandhej print, bright magenta and yellow combination, always works, always looks beautiful, pure cotton or work beautifully done on front, all zari work, gota work, tassels on waistline, gota stitch on every kali. This option is also in flared one. I'm saying 7 meter approx घेरा, 1600 का प्राइस, 38 to 46 का साइज, ready to ship. One more option, hand block print, very subtle and elegant print, purple and orange combination, all pattern work on front. After wearing this looks very subtle and elegant, all gota stitch on the every kali, cushion tassels on waistline. This is again flared one piece, 1500 का प्राइस, 38 to 44 का साइज. These pieces are beautifully when you attend any small party, house party. One piece, pure cotton, beautiful one piece, all false mirror and thread work stitch on the front, all sequence stitch on the front, cushion tassels also, beautiful cushion tassels. This is ready with tires, beautiful dress ready with tires, one piece ready with tires, 1500 का प्राइस, 38 to 46 का साइज, ready to ship. One more option, yellow color, beautiful one piece, pure cotton. This one is 1500 का प्राइस, 38 to 46 का साइज, pure hand block print, Calcutta work, all thread on the front, beautiful bell sleeves, cushion tassels on waistline, beautiful cushion tassels on the waistline. This one is also beautiful flared one, and this option is with cotton की lining, cotton का lining with this, 1500 का प्राइस, 38 to 46 का साइज. One more option in chicankari, beautiful yellow color, all chicankari work on kurta, all white transparent sequence stitch on the kurta, pure cotton, beautiful hem ready with chicankari, 1750 का प्राइस, 38 to 46 का साइज, and beautiful kota दुपट्टा with this, beautiful kota का दुपट्टा with this, pure cotton का bottom, 1750 का प्राइस, 38 to 46 का साइज, ready to ship. One more option, peach color, same detailing on kurta, beautiful chicankari all over work, detailing on sleeves, pure chicankari work on the hem, and beautiful chiffon work dupatta with this, 1750 का प्राइस, 38 to 46 का साइज, pure cotton का bottom with this, ready to ship. One more option in anarkali, beautiful all kalamkari print. Check the flare viewers, flare is very big on these pieces, pure cotton, beautiful patchwork, anarkali keyhole pattern with tassels, 1850 का प्राइस, 38 to 46 का साइज, printed beautiful kalamkari printed दुपट्टा with this, pure cotton का bottom, 38 to 46 का साइज, 1850 का प्राइस, ready to ship.